Hello my lovelies, I hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to solve for this problem where we are given with the values of a, b, b, c and ca, and we need to solve for the value of a plus b plus c. So in this video I'm going to show you two different approaches, and please let me know your approach in the comment box. So let's get started with the first approach. We are given with a, b, b, c and ca. So what we can do? Hmm, we can multiply these terms. On multiplication, we can rewrite the expression as AB into BC into CA in the left hand side and 40 into 50 into 60 on the right hand side. On simplification, we'll get A square, B square, C square is equal to 120000. Further, we can rewrite it as ABC whole square is equal to 120000. Now, if I'm going to take the square root on both sides, I'll be getting ABC is equal to root of 120000. On simplification, I'll be getting ABC as 200 root 3. Now, we have ABC, right? What else we can do? In order to get the value of A, we can divide this ABC by BC, and we'll be getting ABC upon BC. This BC will get cancelled out and we'll get A. Similarly, we can do for the B. For B, we can divide ABC by CA. This CA will get cancelled out and we'll get the value of B as 10 root 3 by 3. Similarly, we can solve for the value of C. Dividing ABC by AB, this AB will get cancelled out and we'll get the value of C as 5 root 3. Now adding A plus B plus C will give us A plus B plus C is equal to 4 root 3 plus 10 root 3 upon 3 plus 5 root 3, which on simplification by taking LCM will give us this expression. And combining all these terms, we'll be getting 37 root 3 by 3. So finally we got the value of A plus B plus C. Now let's discuss the second approach. We are given with these values. What else we can do? We can multiply any of these two equations and divide it by the third equation to get the value of any variable. Let's see how we can do that. If I'm going to multiply AB by CA and divide it by BC, what I'm going to get? AB into CA upon BC. This B will get cancelled out and this C is also going to cancel out. So I am getting the value of A square, which is nothing but 48. Similarly, we can solve for the B square. Now B square is a value AB into BC dividing by CA, and on simplification we got the value as 100 upon 3. Similarly, we can solve for C square, which is BC into CA divided by AB, and the value is 75. Now we have the value of A square, B square and C square. If A square is equal to 48, then A is going to be 4 root 3. If B square is equal to 100 root 3, then B is equal to 10 root 3 upon 3. Similarly, if C square is equal to 75, then C is equals to 5 root 3. Now we have the values of A, B and C. Adding all this together is going to give me the same expression as we had it before. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.